All right. Today is... What's today? Today is March 14th. It's officially the first day of spring break, which is canceled. Canceled twice. Because of this virus. Look at my pool. My God, what a mess, huh? Huh? Yeah. Old Don Hartshorn here has been taking some hits lately, yeah. Look at that. Beautiful, huh? Yeah, neighbor's tree fell. Neighbor's tree fell hanging over the pool. Got that cleaned up. This was broken. It was broken, I fixed that already. Then the filter pipes were broken. Fixed that. Got a new filter. That's why the pool looks like it does. Now the pool's up and running. Ordering parts for that thing to fix it. That's what's going on. All right. It is Sunday. 9 o'clock. I have some projects to do today. My goal today is to fix the gate to my pool filter that was busted by the tree that fell down from the neighbor's house, and also to fix the fence that the tree crashed through on the back border property. I need 10 fence slats. So that tree fell on my grill. Who thinks I should buy a new grill? Who dares me to buy a new grill? I'm getting new gloves. I have some of these gloves, but I can get another pair because they're awesome. All right, making my way back to the fence slats. I thought about buying an axe, but I want a higher quality axe. I'm not buying an axe here. All right, here we go. I'm gonna start this work, get that fence up. All right, let me show you what I did. All right. Fence is fixed. That was on the ground. Fixed. Gotta trim those top boards, put another 2x4 going across. All this cleaned up. I'm gonna cut that up for firewood. All this is taken down to the road. Let's go down the road. I'll show you something. That was back there. I have that drying out. There's my awesome Mustang. Love it. Love it. That's my clothes in the washer because I was all in poison ivy again. I'm drinking some Oyster City Hooter Brown. Some good stuff. So this was in between my gazebo and the fence. Crushed those chairs, which were garbage anyway. I had that holding up my canoe. This is all the debris I brought down yesterday and then today. Part of the gazebo or the deck fence railing, the backyard boundary fence, and here's something I didn't know. I didn't know this grill was jacked up until I got back there. Look at that. Look at that. Can you imagine that? Summertime. It's like, hey guys, come on over and have some burgers. Yeah. So, that's broken and needs to be replaced. Alright, here we go. Been working on this for a while. This is what I have done so far. I took the parts out of the old one. Have the parts down there. I've got to get this beam right here off. I put that up there, I screwed it in for support. I think I made a mistake. Not a big deal. I think what I need to do is have that on here holding up the roof. That way this is free and then I could come in here, take this out, put the new one up. I think that's what the plan is. All right, tell me what you... All right, stage one is complete. Let me show you. Stage one was getting the hardware out of this post because I didn't order any hardware. Most of the hardware is salvageable. If there's a couple things I need, I'll go to the hardware store. I don't need to buy their specific hardware. So I got that done. Then I propped that up there. We just took down that support cross beam. Stage one. Stage two, I've got to build the new cross beam. I've got to build the new base for the new post. Put the new cross beam up. That's stage two. Stage three is the other cross beam. And stage four is taking down this section of roof, fixing, putting back up. Take that section of roof down, fixing, putting back up. This is the old horizontal piece. It took all the hardware out, all the screws. I knew I could salvage those. And I built the new one right here. This is the new one right here. So she's ready to go up. There's the post, ready to go up, because I got to put that post there. She's got to hold one end, I hold the other, screw it in there, one bolt, and I take it up, get it up on the other side. Then we'll have our post up on our horizontal, whatever the hell you call it. That's today. Then tomorrow I'll take that piece down right there and do the same thing, rebuild that one, have that silver, rebuild that one. Then the frame and the structure will be back and complete. Then it's a matter of taking these roof sections off. See this roof section here, you take that off, fix it, put it back up. This roof section, take it down, fix it, put it back up. And then we're done, people. Then we're done. Then it'll be time to pressure wash the deck, put the furniture back underneath there, and party time. Party all day. Party all day. All right, I'm wrapping this up for the day. Look what I did. I got that structure in right there. Took the old one down, built the new one, put it up, new post up, secured in with lag bolts. Tomorrow, I'll be doing the same thing right here. Taking that one down, putting the new one up. There's the old post. I'll put that up here for support, right in the middle. And take that down, rebuild. Then from there to there. Then square this up because it's a little crooked. We'll square it up. And then the next phase, taking one section of the roof down, repairing, and then putting back up there and there. But that was a really good start. A really, really good start. I think that was the hardest part. I'm beat. I'm done here. Time to chill out, relax for the rest of the day. Jesus. Alright, let's see what we got here. I'm going for this again right here.
Yeah,
Drink some of that.
I'm trying to keep mine to a schedule. We're not getting up a little late. We're trying to stay with at a decent time. So if we go back to school,
Oh, I can't find my cup.
we're not totally spoiled.
No, I can't find my cup. There. There's my cup. There's my cup. This right here is a glass I got at Penn State Happy Valley Brewery a long time ago. Put it in. All right, here we go. Another day. Let's see here. I've already taken the hardware out of that. I need assistance. Jen doesn't seem to be cooperating very well this morning. I'm waiting on her. Because I can't continue my work until I get that done. Ah, look who's up. get a good sleep?
No.
Did you get enough rest?
No.
Some of us work for a living. Let's do this. I'm the foreman. The foreman wears the yellow hat. The workers wear the white. Let's get to work.
I already made the
Ready? Got it? You got it?
No, Don, I don't.
Come on. Got it?
I guess. I mean, no, not really, but
Is it under
it's
the
under
roof?
there, but this is not, yeah, this is not stable. Yeah, it's under there.
Make it stable.
Don, you have to lift more. I'm sorry that you have to lift more, but you do. You can't make wood go where you can't.
You got it?
I guess.
God damn. Manage that?
Don, I can't put, no, I can only do what I can do. If you don't want me to help you, I will.
Hush.
If you don't want me out here, I
It's
will.
not that. It's not that. Get it under there.
Okay, now okay, I'm there. Yeah.
Is it hitting the roof?
Yeah.
All right, here's a little update. Got the whole frame back together. Frame here, here, new post, new support beam, new. The next step is we got to take one of these panels off. This triangular panel, I got to unscrew it, bring it down, and then repair the broken pieces. And we've got the new tin over there, and then put it back up. Hopefully we can do that without any help. All right, let me give you an update here. That's what I got done. Replaced all of this. There's the frame. When that's done, I take that one down, replace that. The only reason I'm stopping is because there's some pieces I forgot to order that were hidden underneath other pieces. Really annoys me, because my goal was to have this done this weekend, and if I had the pieces, it would have been done this weekend. So I really can't do anything further until I get it. So on Monday I'll order the new pieces, about 5 pieces. It'll probably take another week and a half or 2 weeks to get the stuff, and then it'll be fixed. The roof was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. It was easy. The hardest part was this right here. This right here. Getting all that done. That was the hardest part. I mean, I seriously have maybe 3 more hours of work to do. 3 or 4 more hours of work and it'd be done. Here's all the broken pieces. Annoying. I'm gonna chill out for the rest of the day. Tomorrow I will clean the leaves out of this pool, vacuum, maybe I'll paint tomorrow. I'll probably just take a break. All right, let me show y'all what I did here. Slowly getting things done. Look at that. I built it. Check this out. Check that out. Pretty cool, huh? Put that gravel in there. Look at it, it's so industrial. Timber. Gravel, steel, timber. I like it, man. It just came to me, into my mind. That's a tree that fell, and it was sitting over there, and I'm like, look, dude, it's perfect. It's perfect. It was already cut at an angle like that. I mean, I could have done that with my chainsaw, but it was already cut that way. All I did was pick it up and roll it up here. Boom. 18 bags of gravel. I'm gonna cook some wings on that. I sent Jen to Costco, and she got a jumbo bag of wings. Oh my God. We have enough wings for like 6 months.